Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling components and committing to a layout. Position two motors opposite each other and place the battery centered for balance. Once done, cut the plywood or align the 3D printed mounts to match motor flanges. Fasten with small screws. Make the wiring harness next. Solder motor wires to quick connectors and insulate with heat shrink. Label positive, negative, and signal so you don't swap leads later. Make sure the receiver has a stable spot with foam for vibration damping. Now you mount motors, align pinions and secure gear mesh. Too tight and you'll stall, too loose and you'll skip teeth. Once the drivetrain is stable, mount the steering servo and connect a rigid tie rod. Verify straight-ahead geometry before final tightening. Route ESC wires to avoid spinning parts, connect the receiver lead, and plug the battery via a switch or fuse for safety. Then power on and use your transmitter to center the servo and check motor direction. Reverse in software if needed. You complete assembly by performing a cautious test drive. Start at low throttle, confirm steering response, and listen for odd noises. Once comfortable, adjust ESC throttle in points and brake strength so control feels predictable. Shift battery to fine-tune balance and secure loose hardware. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Inspect solder joints and connectors, test battery voltage under load, and swap receiver channels to rule out radio faults. Replace a single suspect component rather than rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.